Hello and welcome back to the Geordie Pig Investor channel, where we delve into the world of dividend investing to help you build a portfolio that pays you. Whether you're just starting out looking to maximise your passive income, this channel is your go-to resource for strategies, insights and the tools you need to grow your wealth steadily over time. Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore how to make your money work for you, one dividend at a time. In today's video, I'll be showing you a fun challenge I've been doing on my channel to highlight how you don't need a lot of money to start investing, and to really show you that even adding a little every single day will start to add up and have a massive impact on your future. Today marks a big milestone for the challenge, as I've officially been investing in the S&P 500 every single day for 500 days in a row. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the US. It is widely considered one of the best indicators of the overall health of the US stock market and economy. The index includes 500 large cap companies across various sectors such as technology, communication services, financial and healthcare, to name a few. It is managed by the S&P Dow Jones Indices. A committee selects and reviews the companies in the index based on market size, liquidity and other factors. Many investors and fund managers compare their portfolios against the S&P 500's performance to see if they are ahead or behind the market. The best bit of advice I could give to a new investor, or to any investor for that matter, is to not always try and beat the market, but have the market as part of your portfolio. As we can see from the chart, the S&P 500 has historically had many more green years compared to red years, and over the long term, the S&P 500 has averaged anywhere from 8 to 10% annualized returns, which is way better returns than you'll ever manage to get leaving it in a bank, gaining interest, or having it in some sort of bonds. Don't get me wrong, if you're needing income now or have a short time within the market, then there are probably better choices for you. But if you're a long-term investor like myself, then this one is an absolute no-brainer. And that's why in today's video, I'll be showing you this challenge that I started 500 days ago, where I invest £1 consistently every single day into the S&P 500 and share these results with you all. First of all, let's have a look at how the S&P 500 has performed over this past month, and as we can see, it is actually a mixed bag, with there being some of the bigger names down quite considerably, with the likes of Amazon down 11%, Google down over 10%, and Nvidia down over 9%. But here's where it becomes interesting. When we zoom out and just look at the last year, so still not the longest of time horizons, we can see how significantly different this looks. We have Google now up over 100%, Nvidia up over 40%, and there are plenty of big winners within there. One of the crazy stands out is Micron Technologies, up over 700%. So there are actually multiple different S&P 500 ETFs on the market, so it is pretty important that you pick the correct one. Personally, I went with the Invesco S&P 500 ETF, stock ticker SPXP. I went with this ETF because it's an accumulating fund, which means it will automatically reinvest the dividends I receive, so it's a totally hands-off approach. The main reason I'm choosing this one though is because of its extremely low expense ratio at just 0.05%. This is the lowest available in the entire UK, hence why I think it's such a good option, and they have a massive fund size at over 21,000 million. And one thing I really like on here is that it shows you how well you would have performed over a certain time period if you had one initial $10,000 investment. As we can see, if you invested $10,000 1 year ago, you would have a return of over 25%, now having over $12,500. And when we zoom that out to the last 3 years, we can see the gains are even higher. Yes, there are plenty of little dips, but as the general trend always seems to be, eventually it will recover and hit new all-time highs. If you invested $10,000 3 years ago, you would have over $17,000, which means you'd have a return at over 70%. Anyways, enough about that. Let's actually see how it's performed for me over the last 500 days. If you're serious about investing and picking individual stocks, you need proper data. And that's exactly why I use Insight Analytics. Insight Analytics breaks down earnings calls, highlights key insights, and gives you clear price targets and valuations at an instant. They also have easy to read financial charts which help you spot opportunities even faster. You can also put in your growth projections for any company on the market. Oh, and it gets even better. On Insight Analytics, they have a powerful advanced AI tool, so it's like having a full analyst team in your pocket. And right now, with my exclusive GP20 code, you can access the data for only £4 a month, plus receive a free 2-week trial so you can test it out completely free. Alternatively, all you need to do is click my link in the description down below, so if you are enjoying researching and picking your own stocks, then why not test it out? So what I've done is create a pie specifically for this one ETF. The pie is set up to automatically invest £1 every single day. Even on weekends or days when the market is closed, that £1 still gets tucked into the pie, ready to jump into action as soon as the markets reopen. If you do want access to this pie, I'll leave a link in the description down below. I really like this way of investing, especially for most people, because this way it means you don't have to think about it. You can just set it, forget it, and let it quietly work away in the background. And as we can see, over those first 500 days, I've had a rate of return at over 40%, returning £84.96. And don't get me wrong, there were times when this pie was down, but this is where it really does show that consistency pays off. What you've got to do is stick at it over the long term and have that long-term mindset, and eventually it's going to come good. A feature I really like on Trading 212 is their investment plan. As we can see, I've set it up to invest £1 a day for the next 20 years, and if this is the case, we can see that I've only contributed around about £8,000 to the portfolio, but the portfolio will be valued at over £54,000. You might be thinking, how is that the case? Well, you have something called compound interest to thank. Compound interest is the interest earned on both the original amount you put in, the principal, and on the interest you've already earned. It's like your money making money, and then that new money making even more money, creating a snowball effect over time. As displayed here, when you have a longer time horizon, that snowball effect can sometimes become life-changing sums of money. Obviously, this is just a prediction, and past performance is no guarantee of future results, but it's definitely still a good indication for you and a really motivating one. So hopefully there'll be somebody watching this video who's a bit unsure about investing into the markets, and this will convince them that having the money within the markets over the long term is a much better off compared to keeping that money sat in a bank account losing out to inflation. And with that, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I'm going to continue this challenge every single day and keep checking in with you all so that I not only stay accountable, but also show you that you can make great returns even with little money invested over the long term if you are consistent in the market. Thanks for watching, and if you're building a portfolio for passive income and financial freedom, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Do you own an S&P 500 index, or are you new to investing and going to take your first steps towards your investing journey? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, keep compounding and stay patient in the market, because your future self will thank you. For now, this is the Geordie Pig Investor, over and out. Have you ever wondered how someone can start investing from absolutely nothing? In this series, I'm building a portfolio from zero, step by step, and showing exactly what works and what doesn't. Click the screen now to follow along on this journey.